Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, if you are looking for anybody how to pay a property tax or how to pay your flat property tax or how to pay your apartment or how to pay your individual property tax in Bangalore, right? People are who are staying in Bangalore, every year they need to pay a property tax. Even though if you miss this, you cannot transfer this or you cannot sell this any of your flat or apartment or in your individual house. You need to pay that particular, otherwise every year there is be interest will be added and it will be at the end you will be getting more amount, so that every year you go and check that your with your application number and what is the properties registered with whom, right? You can I'll show you that how to log in with a step by step process to how to pay that particular tax property system. Let's say if you are buy the new apartment or new flats, right, new house, right, everybody they wanted to transfer that particular property to your name and with the A khata, B khata, any khata, right? See, before transferring that, like let's say you buy the flat on 2023, and after a 1 year you got your possession is started and they are started with your khata transfer as well, and up to that 1 year or 2 year you need to pay that particular amount property tax. Then only they'll be up to now. Let's say today you are going to make that khata transfer, so that up to now today there will be have amount, how much amount is present for that property tax. You need to pay that in BBMP tax system. Okay, once you pay that property tax in BBMP tax system web, so once you pay that, then only you need to share that particular receipt to the lawyer or whoever your BBMP people to transfer your khata, to transfer your flat or apartment to your a khata transfer that particular property. Even the individual house also, if you are transferring it, to make sure that you pay that particular property tax, then only you will be transferring that particular property to your name, so to a khata. Okay, so we are recently done that, so we have transferred that particular, we have a khata transfer is done for last month, so we have paid that half month up to December, that particular what is the tax was there, we paid that tax and we share that receipt. Once the receipt is shared, then the ekata transfer is done, so that if somebody is looking for to, instead of going with Bangalore one or some other receipt, there is a web portals are available to make use of that. It will be 5 minutes of job to uh, pay your tax. Okay, there is a, you can, there is a, if you have the, see, each and every time if you are going for, if you are buy the new flat or new house anything, right, there is a application, BBMP will be created your flat registered, right? Once there be created your application number, before going that, once you there ekata registration they're doing it, right, that time they'll be create their application number. Everybody will have their application number or PID number, so that you can just enter it. There is a website, okay, there is a, you can search it with anything. There is a, let's say if you are BBMP search online, if there is a BBMP website, it will comes on that. When you click this BBMP, it will open this portal. There will be have enter two things. There will be have your enter your 10-digit application number, and there is a starting with, if they registered with single person, enter your first name of the 3 digit or in the sequential of the 3 digit. Otherwise, if it's a joint account also, enter any one person 3 digits, 3 character name, so that if you enter it, retrieve that you are, and it will just show that your name and which ward you are belongs to. Once it is retrieve is done, it will ask us to take it to your BBMP portal, and you need to enter the application. Once you enter the application, it will take you to the payment screen. So here there are couple of information they given, instruction for taxpayer. What are they, just go through that, what are the information are present, and there is a some percentage of they'll be taking if you're paying in phone pay or credit card, or some percentage of amount will be deducted as a sys charge or something, some charges they'll be deducted, but they'll be calculated. And just make sure that you verify that what is the square feet you have it, and what is the square feet of car parking they allotted. Everything will be shown here, shown in that review. Once you need to click continue, it will take it to your information, because I'm not able to show that, because all the your for personal information will be there, your address, phone number, and what is the amount, and what is the uh, flat number, what is the area, everything address will be there. So that I don't want to show that. Just if you click continue, it will take it to that screen, and just see that it will be after, you no need to modify anything. You just need to modify only the mobile number and address can update it, but other than that you cannot modify anything. So that once you enter click on, then they'll be show that challan, you can take a challan and go to the bank and you can make that make the payment. Else you can do online is the best. You can do all the option of online is the UPI, everything, credit card, debit card, everything is available, do online. Once online is done, there'll be receipt will be generated like this. There'll be receipt will be the tax receipt will be generated. Just keep that every year receipt, so that if you're if you're reselling this your property, or if you're doing anything, this is the must and should, so that if you're paid and you have the receipt, then nobody can ask that, and the BBMP cannot question that actually. So you'll be having the rights to ask that, or anything is a problem with your property, you can able to raise your concern based on that, what are the property tax you paid. Okay, so that if you want to retrieve something, okay, already paid, that let's say there is already paid your payment, there is a payment status, you want to check that. See, when you click enter, there is a couple of information will be visible. See, receipt generated, you already paid this amount, and it is OS is as second half you paid, not the full payment you paid. So there's still one more half is present. Once you paid, that will be available. So like that will be updated, and there is, you want to update the mobile number, if it's wrong you can update the mobile number, and if you are update the you can update the address as well. See, the why I'm not showing that on click of this continue, it will just take it to your one page. In that page only you'll be able to see that what is the tax amount, and what is your ward number, and what is your area, and what is your tax amount, and everything will be shown in that page, so that if you can able to pay that one click, they'll be show that you will paying with a challan, you're paying online. If you click online, it will take it to your online system, and you pay that amount, it will be clear. It will be 2-3 minutes, you'll be done with that property tax. Instead of going there and you're wasting time, the online is better. So that I'm just saying that if you require any other information, just comment it out, I'll help you out to how to pay the tax amount, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please help. Thank you.